In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new document using Google Docs. Whether you're using a web browser or navigating through the Google Apps menu, I've got you covered. First, we'll explore the method using any web browser. This is a versatile approach, whether you're using Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. To begin, open up any web browser on your computer. Once you've got that ready, direct your attention to the address bar, usually found at the very top of your window. It's the unassuming space where you typically type website URLs. In there, type docs.google.com and go ahead and press Enter. If you haven't logged into your Google account yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Just sign in with your credentials and you'll be ready to proceed. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Docs homepage. Here, you have a couple of options. To start fresh, look for the icon or button that says "Please blank" to create a brand new document. Of course, if you've got an existing piece that you need to work on, you can open that as well. Once you're in the document of your choice, simply start typing away. One of the best features of Google Docs is that it automatically saves your work directly to Google Drive. This ensures that your hard work is backed up and accessible from any device with internet access. Next, let's explore the method that involves using the 3x3 dots, also known as the Google Apps menu, inside Google Chrome. To kick things off, open Google Chrome and navigate to google.com. Again, ensure that you're signed in to your Google account. You can quickly check this by looking for your profile picture or Gmail icon at the top right of the window. Now, focus your attention on the upper right corner of the page. Look for a small grid of dots, often referred to as the Google Apps icon. It's a neat little feature that opens up a world of Google services at your fingertips. Click on it, and a menu will appear, revealing a variety of Google applications. Scroll down through this menu until you find the Docs icon, then select it. Similar to the previous method, once inside Google Docs, you have two primary choices. You can click on +blank to start a fresh document or choose an existing one, depending on what you need. This method also grants the same convenience and reliability of Google Docs' automatic saving feature. As you type, your document will consistently be saved and stored in Google Drive, making your work safe and easily retrievable. And there you have it. A couple of straightforward ways to access Google Docs and start creating and editing documents. Whether you prefer navigating through a browser or using the Google Apps menu, both methods provide seamless access to one of the most widely used document editing platforms. Happy typing, and until next time.